Hey everyone, lumabas na yung visa bulletin for March 2025. Let's take a look. Okay, and here we are sa Department of State website, and here's the visa bulletin for March. Let's scroll down sa final action dates ng employment based, and there you go. EB3 is still December 1, 2022. And then EB1, which is your working visa, is current. Ngayon, kung babalik tayo, no, ito yung March, ito yung February, same lang. Ito yung January, same lang din sa atin sa Pilipinas. And then December 2024 is November 15. So, ang last movement niya was this. Medyo mabagal ngayon. Okay. Medyo mabagal yung movement na visa bulletin ngayon, pero it doesn't mean naman na dahil hindi nag-move to, hindi na mangyayari. So just stay positive, everything happens for a reason, and see you guys sa next visa bulletin announcement.